It's 2024, and one of my resolutions is to leave all the dirt and messes in the past and keep my home clean. Easier said than done, I know. Thankfully, eufy sent us their newest robot vacuum and mop with all the bells and whistles to help make cleaning easier and hassle-free. And the best part? It's just under $1,000. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. If you want to make your home clean and smart, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. In this video, we'll spotlight the eufy X10 Pro Omni. First, a quick unboxing. It comes in this minimalist white box. You open it from the top, and immediately it shows you 4 unboxing steps. First, user guide. Very important. Next, we'll pull this one out. Let's open it up. This box contains the power cable, a cleaning tray for the station, and the robot vacuum and mop itself. Make sure to take these pads off the sides. Last but not least, the Omni station. All right, let's set it up and take a closer look. As a multitasker, I like to be able to accomplish many things while I'm doing something else. That's exactly what having the eufy X10 Pro Omni is like. It can do chores for me while I work, or even when I'm not at home. eufy promises efficient hands-free cleaning. It's an all-in-one robot vacuum and mop with a self-emptying, self-washing, self-drying, and self-refilling station. If you were counting, that's essentially 6 tasks that I didn't have to do myself. Task number 1. Vacuuming. When it comes to vacuuming, you want a lot of power to really get down to business. The eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts of up to 8,000 pascals suction power when you set it to max, which is ideal if you have rugs and carpets, because they tend to trap dust and dirt, which are much harder to pick up from versus tiles or a hardwood floor. All these unwanted particles like dust, pollen, and mold are trapped here in this dustbin, which has a HEPA air filter so they don't get emitted back into your home. If you're like me and perpetually live with allergies, then this is really helpful to remove allergens from your home. If you live in a household with people who have longer hair, eufy also made sure that the main roller brush can handle that. It's V-shaped and comes with a small built-in comb. It flips down to loosen and detangle any long hair strands that accumulate while vacuuming, and the vacuum collects them automatically at the end of every cleaning session. Task number 2. Mopping. I'll let you in on a little secret. I love waking up in the morning and stepping on freshly mopped floors. The X10 Pro Omni has dual rotating mops that are pentagon shaped instead of round. This allows it to cover a bigger surface area, so the eufy X10 Pro Omni mops more efficiently. And with iToF along the wall sensor, the X10 Pro Omni can detect the wall and mop those edges where it meets the floor. What I love the most about the mop is that it applies pressure on the floor equivalent to 1 kilogram to really get the nitty-gritty off the most stubborn of stains. It's almost like scrubbing floors like I would. If you've got rugs and carpets, you would not want those to get wet. So the X10 Pro Omni automatically lifts the mops thanks to this carpet sensor. The mop can go up to 12 millimeters as soon as it detects the area with a rug or carpet. Cool, right? Task number 3 is usually taking out the dustbin after every cleaning session. But with the Omni station, you won't even have to lift a finger. The X10 Pro will automatically dock and empty what it's collected into this 2.5 liter dust bag after cleaning, which should be good enough for up to 60 days of cleaning, depending on how much dirt your place accumulates. Task number 4. Washing the mops. After it's done cleaning, the X10 Pro Omni's mops also get washed at the station, thanks to its 3-liter clean water tank, which is about what you need for a week's worth of washing. The dirty water accumulated after that then goes into this dirty water tank. Task number 5. drying the mops. Immediately after washing, the mops get dried to prevent mold growth, which normally results in stinky smelling mops. The X10 Pro Omni has an 80 ml water tank, which gets replenished automatically at the Omni station. Of course, it also gets its refill from the 3-liter clean water tank. This way, every time you start a mopping session, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is always ready. To truly make cleaning hands-free, the X10 Pro Omni has AIC technology, which is a combination of different sensors, LED light, and algorithms. This helps recognize common obstacles on the floor, like shoes and slippers, even wires and cables. Things that in the past would get stuck on a robot vacuum if you did not put them away. It's smart enough to avoid and vacuum around them instead of eating them up. AIC technology is also what recognizes the different rooms in your home. And if you don't set it manually, it can customize the suction power and water flow levels. The kitchen and bathroom, for example, could use more water when mopping, but if you have a rug or carpet, then it would use the maximum level of suction power. If you're worried about privacy, don't worry, eufy says they never upload user data from the RGB camera. Because I travel a lot, chores at home can often be neglected, which is why I clean as regularly as I can. Having the eufy X10 Pro Omni is like hiring help to come and clean for you weekly. It's easy to do on the eufy Clean app. Just go into settings, tap on schedules, add schedule. I like my mornings quiet, so I set it to 3 p.m. Repeat every Saturday. From here, you can also manually change cleaning modes, either vacuum and mop, mop only, or vacuum only. You can set suction power and water level. And because I live in a small apartment, I've just set it to auto, which I think is good enough to clean the entire place, but maybe you live in a bigger place, and I suggest going into manual mode and making those settings based on how much you think it needs. For example, the dirt on the bathroom floor is more visible, so I've also set a more frequent cleaning schedule for it. Apart from Saturdays, the bathroom gets vacuumed and mopped on Wednesday also. Water level is also set to high to make sure any spills or stains get mopped thoroughly. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum, eufy has a limited offer for early birds. Make sure to use our link for a limited time only. I'll put the link in the description box below. And that was our spotlight on the eufy X10 Pro Omni. I love a good vacuum, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.